What's up guys, back with another video on this channel. I shot this video 2 days ago at this point, and I shot another one last night that you're going to see after this one, but I just wanted to go out and shoot a new car that isn't my own, but I did shoot some of my own car as well because I was already out there with my friends, so we kind of just went for a little cruise and went to a covered bridge that I never got to go to, that wasn't too far from my house. I think it was probably about like 20 minutes. So I think we got some cool little photos there, so it's just basically going to be the intro of doing another POV shoot. Like I said, I want to try to do a couple more of those on the channel. I'm going to do one again next month for some more like fall time photos with like the leaves changing and all that stuff, because I live in Indiana. So I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video and shoot my friend's Evo, because I want to try to shoot other cars so I can get used to shooting other cars besides my own car. But I also shot some photos because, like I said, I was already there, so I might as well go ahead and shoot some photos of my own car. So yeah, all this entire video is obviously done on Micro Four Thirds cameras, my GH5. That's basically what I use for photography for now. We are going to be getting a GH6 here pretty soon, probably sometime in January or February, depending. So yeah, I just like doing these because it kind of shows like my thought process when I go through taking photos and getting different angles and everything. I think we had some pretty good shots. We did 2 locations, so you'll see that of course up next. But yeah, if you guys do check out the video that comes out after this one, it's going to be just a solo, like a sunset shot of my my personal E30 with a Canon FD. What is it? The Canon FD 50mm 1.4. So we got that, and I took some pretty dope shots with that one. I really like the way it looks with the vintage lenses and everything. But anyways guys, be sure to check that video out after this, and hope you enjoy the video. And be sure to check out my behind the scenes video I'm going to be posting on the 31st of my first full length, or like kind of short film horror film that's on my main channel, because it's based around the E30 and I get the most amount of reach on there. So any more like short films after this one that I just shot is going to be basically on this channel, but I decided to shoot a whole behind the scenes on how I did like most of it. So if you guys are definitely interested in that, check that out in the video on the 31st, and check out the actual short film. So but yeah, let's get into this video, boys. Probably people were throwing stuff out, probably. I mean, it looks kind of old wood. Some random flowers. Yeah. Yeah, I figured you can just pull straight up in here, and then you can park right here and get me a handful of snaps before some random people come.
You can whip yours down in there first if you want, and then...
I'm not too worried about mine. I'm just gonna knock yours out first, and then I'll do mine last.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so we got the GH5 with the Sigma 50mm 1.4 again, Canon mount, with the Viltrox Speedbooster. I'm gonna take some pictures of my friend's Evo, because I want to try to practice on taking photos of different cars, and I think it's kind of cool, so I might get a shot when he's coming in here. Got a baby in this cart, that's crazy. Alright, just come over this way a little bit. Yeah. And about there is good. Someone's fucking making noise. Someone's over here making noise, I'm not sure who it is. Weird. coming down here while we're trying to take some photos because people are just coming out of nowhere. You know, it's different taking pictures of something that's not an E30. We're gonna swap on the 30mm real quick. I'm happy there's no people coming. I'm happy there's no people coming right now.
I know, right?
Nice. Get a little sun shot. He's probably like, man, get me out of here, dude. Yeah, I think those guys are down there. Freaking just like trying to get food or something. Little fishies.
Oh
You said you just bought those headlights, didn't you?
What?
You just bought those headlights, didn't you?
Yeah.
That were like $1,000. My car smokes from behind.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
The ring's going bad?
At least 2 rings are bad because 2 cylinders are low compression.
Okay, yep.
Like 1 and 6.
Yep. Unfortunately.
Plus, I think the valve stems are bad as well.
Oh, yeah.
But that's just what I think. The head was done in 2012. It was a brand new head, a remanufactured head. So, not sure how long it takes for seals to go bad. Or they could have used crappy quality seals. Or,
That, yeah.
Since those are rebuilt.
Parts to rebuild it in the first place.
Those are rebuilt eBay head.
They just, oh yeah, they just built it cheap to get it put back together.
Got too many things in my pocket. I like having the sun in the frame because it makes it like blow out the highlights. All right, let's try to get a shot back here. Damn truck's coming. I'll have to make her quick. Damn truck anyways. Go away, can't you see we're trying to take photos? Yeah, we can move for him, I guess. Wanted to get it out of there. He's like, man, this dude.
Well, afterwards,
No, what he was thinking in his head is, oh, you'll bring it back to me because there's not many of us around. That's why. That's what he was thinking, I guarantee it. Exactly. Yeah, Sam messaged me at 4:50 in the morning. He's like, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. Can't get my car running. So I don't give a fuck about your car. Just fucking come out. Who cares?
Yeah.
Who cares if your car ain't running?
Oh, shit.
His girl probably told him to stay home. She's like, ah, fuck, I can't go nowhere. It's my only day off. Oh yeah, you find one?
Yeah, I got one.
You find something?
But the dude that did it, he owns his own business. It's called Precedent. And he fucking gets contracted to go out to like Acura and all the other car dealerships.
I don't know, my plan of attack was just to kind of like do what I can body work wise, and then if I can't do something, I'll just go ahead and do something, or I'll get somebody to take out whatever I couldn't do myself. We're just gonna get a couple photos of mine while I'm in here. Hopefully nobody comes. Because I really don't All right, let's try to get out and take some photos real quick. We're gonna use the 50mm again. You can hear my card knocking because the motor is toasted in this thing. And I'm a little off center, which is quite annoying to be honest. Let me do a above shot as well, because I do like doing those. And I should really straighten the car up, but it's whatever. More people driving over here. Huh? Probably go down somewhere in Huntington. Probably like the end of the month where the trees are actually changed a little bit more. Subframe itself, there's no other.
It mounts to.
So something on the tabs are messed up or something. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
But I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna get another one.
So you're lucky to put what, 1,500 miles a year on that thing?
Yeah, if that.
The car itself?
Yeah. So as the original motor, it just has a new head because it snapped rocker arms, and I didn't feel like it was cheaper to buy a remanufactured one that was already done than redo mine. It's probably ain't the best angle, but I thought I'd throw this in. I'm about to wrap up the shoot, and about to go down and shoot a couple more photos with the sunlight of his car, so we can make it look decent with the sun flares and stuff like that. So hopefully it comes out good, but just gonna take the car back over while it's smoking like crazy and get some more photos of his car before we leave. I'm thinking there's cars coming there, and that's a damn turn.
Oh yeah, that's the curve. Yeah.
Doomhaus. What are those anyways? Horns or something?
Yeah, they're the horns. Because you actually have one technically mounted right behind the intercooler, and then one is mounted over here on the socket.
So kind of
It's weird.
it's a weird dynamic.
So those are designed where you can kind of mount them about anywhere you want.
The low shot.
That is something where a lot of people, or a lot of guys don't, so that front fan will get deleted.
Yeah, but why delete AC if you freaking if you're gonna be driving in the summertime?
Yep. Kind of like side by side. Well, I didn't want to obviously get rid of mine.
I mean, no point to if you don't have to. Plus, it's not, that's why I hate about having this car is no AC.
That's the front one. Well, both of them kicking on.
Is that for
Mainly
your?
'cause it's
Just,
sitting at idle.
just for your.
Yeah. The facing turbo setup. So I'm gonna need to do a half rad. And they also make half.
Oh wait.
I know you've had it for a long time.
So January will be 17 years. Just fucking retarded. That's good enough, I guess, for out here. If we do it tomorrow, we'll find.